What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of x squared plus 1 divided by x plus 4. So we have u over v. When you find out derivative, it's going to be u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So derivative of x squared plus 1 is 2x. That's going to be time x plus 4 minus u is x squared plus 1 times derivative of denominator, which is going to be 1, divided by v squared, which is x plus 4 to the power of 2. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 4, 8x, negative x squared minus 1, divided by x plus 4 to the power of 2. That's going to be x squared plus x, 8x minus 1, divided by x plus 4 to the power of 2. So that's going to be the f prime x. Let's see another example. You have x cubed over x squared plus 4 to the power of 2. So again, f prime x is going to be u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So u prime is going to be 3x squared times x squared plus 4 to the power of 2 minus derivative of denominator, which is going to be 2 times x squared plus 4 to the power of 1 times 2x. 2x is the derivative of x squared plus 4 times numerator, which is x cubed, divided by x squared plus 4 to the power of 4. Why 4? Because here we have squared to the power of 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So let's see if we can simplify it. So we have 3x squared, x squared plus 4 times x squared plus 4 minus 2 times x squared plus 4, 2x times x cubed, divided by x squared plus 4 to the power of 4. So we have, when we a little bit simplify it, we're going to have 3x to the power of 4 plus 12x squared times x squared plus 4 minus, here we have 4x to the power of 4 times x squared plus 4 divided by x squared plus 4 to the power of 4. Now we can simplify x squared plus 4 from numerator and one of the denominator, so it's going to be 3x to the power of 4 plus 12x squared minus 4x to the power of 4 divided by x squared plus 4 to the power of 3. So that's going to be 12x squared minus x to the power of 4 divided by x squared plus 4 to the power of 3. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.